Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some fun new goodies in front of me. Pixi sent me a little bit of PR. I have some complexion, some moisture products. I have a new product from Morphe. I have some Nude by Nature products from Walmart. There were some hits, there were some misses. If you want to see me put this summer bronzy look together, then just keep watching. I'm going to begin with this 2-in-1 serum moisturizer that Pixi sent me. This is the Vitamin C Creme Serum. Look how cool that is. Can you see all the little balls? It's got vitamin C, niacinamide, ferulic acid. It's going to brighten, energize, improve skin tone. It's got antioxidant protection. It says here to use the spatula to take 1 to 2 capsules to gently smooth over the face and neck to blend serum and moisturizer. Use daily or as needed. It's got a little cover that I will keep on it. Ooh, there's like all this little gel. I'm going to use some of that. I should not be using my finger. And then I want to get 2 of these little balls. Let's put it on the face. Oh! Did I use too much? I don't know. It does have a scent. It says to go down the neck. I'm going to give this a minute to settle in, but it felt really nice. Like a thick gel. I just need it to dry down. Actually, while that's drying down, I'll move into eyes. I was influenced by Tati Westbrook. She has no idea who I am, but she was playing with some items from this brand Nude by Nature at Walmart. Very inexpensive, so I picked up a couple of things. I didn't bring any eyeshadow primer in, so I'll just use the concealer that I'm planning on using. I'm still testing this NYX Wonder Snatch. I have mine in the shade 13, so we'll do a little concealer on the eyes. If you didn't notice, my brows are done. Little update on the brows, on the issue that I'm having with this brow. I did go to the dermatologist. She is treating it with a medication. I have to follow up in 2 weeks. Cross your fingers and toes, please, because if the wound does not go away on its own, she's gonna have to do a biopsy. So I'm assuming if she does that, I'm gonna lose my eyebrow. We'll see. I know an eyebrow is not as important as preventing or treating skin cancer, but it would still be a pain. So here is the palette. It retails for $12.97. I believe there are a couple of different variations. I just got the classic nude. It's got a little mirror and a protector. It comes with a little tiny brush. The one side is angled, the other side is flat. I'm going to start by taking my Sephora Pro Crease 26 and I'm going to go into this shade and I'm going to set that concealer. Now I'll go into this shade right here, which is kind of a deeper mid-tone. I'm going to start on the outside and just bring it forward. Looking very nice. I'll take my Rephr 13 and I'm going to go into this deepest shade just for a little bit of contrast. These shadows are smooth and pigmented. There is a little bit of kick up, but not bad at all. I'm going to take that same deepest shade and go underneath on the outside. Just dust it on the inner. Now I'm curious if I could take my finger into this cream. Okay. I think I'd rather a flat brush. This is a Sigma E54. Yeah, that's a little bit smoother. Right, and just a little more blending. Very nice quality. Smooth. It's hard to find a good eyeshadow at an affordable price, and I'm pretty impressed. We'll take a break from the eyes. I have some more complexion products from Pixi. Here is the 50 on the Glow Shield. It is a sunscreen moisture stick. Travel friendly, solid sunscreen moisturizer. Use on face, lips, or body. It's got clover flower, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. Sunscreen is important. Let's just slide it on. And then I'm assuming you just press it in. Texture is a little bit tacky. Nice for travel. I'll move it back to the eyes. This is newer to my collection. This is the Maybelline Sculpting Stick. I just traveled to Jersey a couple days ago and I brought this one along with me. It's got a brush on one end, it's got a slanted tip. This looks just like the one from Urban Decay. I must admit I like the Urban Decay one a little bit more, but this one is great. If you like a very small tip, you would love this. Just like to do the outer third and wing it out just a little bit. And then that brush is nice to sort of blend that edge into your lash line. I also have this Pixi On The Glow base. This is a foundation moisture stick. I have mine in the shade Beige. She's gonna be super, super glowy today. Got a little bit of a pink undertone to it. Definitely sheer coverage. On a good skin day, I would be happy with this. This is not a good skin day. It feels nice and lightweight. I'm cheating just a little bit and taking my NARS Creamy Matte Concealer and just covering up those spots that need a little bit of extra help. My magic eraser. I'll go ahead and add some of this NYX Wonder Snatch Concealer while we're working on the complexion. Just put a little bit on my hand. DK Beauty A506. Pretty good coverage. Not super mature eye friendly. I feel like it's a little bit drying. I'll go ahead and set with my Essence Flawless Trio powder and my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm really only gonna do the center of my face so that we can appreciate this glow. I really have been enjoying glowier products. I don't know who I am. Just gotta watch out for those pores. I feel so much better with powder on. I have a new bronzer from Morphe. This is the Cheek Thrills Bronze and Tone Duo. I picked mine up in the shade Maui Surf. This is the first time I'm opening it. I am so excited. There's a nice mirror. The plastic is on there. There's a cream and a powder. Go ahead and swatch the shades. They feel really nice. There's the cream. There's the powder. I'm gonna like it. I'll use my Sephora 47 brush to go into the cream. And then I believe the blushes that I have, yes, the blushes that I have are cream blushes, so I'll hold off on the powder. But that looks really, really pretty. Look at the glow on my face. Woo! Look at that. I think I did a good job with the color. Maybe a little bit in the center. I'm going in very light-handed and just building. So far, love. Back to Pixi. They sent me 3 of their cream blushes. These are called the On The Go Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. We've got 3 different shades. This is Chantilly, this is Mauve, and this is Cassis. I think I'll go in with the Mauve shade. I'm sure you could swipe them on your face, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use my Sigma F47 and just sort of get it on the brush, tap any excess off on my hand, and just tap it on. If you like glow, you're gonna like this. Very pretty. Next, I have the lip blush from Pixi. It says, this tint works amazingly as both a lip liner and a lip contour. The lip stain perfectly hugs lips for a hydrating and long-lasting effect. I have Love and Purity. Here's what Love looks like. Nice red. And then this one is Purity. I think I'll do the red. I have a softer eye look going today. This is not for me. I don't like the way that it's coming out of my lip lines. It looks a bit patchy. It dries down nice, but it feels a little bit dry. They also sent me this Lip Tone pH Reactive Gloss. Let's put this on top and see if it makes it look any better. This feels very balmy, but they do feel very moisturized. We'll leave this on for a minute, but I'm assuming I'm gonna change my lip before we're done. Let's try a new mascara. The other thing that I purchased from this Nude by Nature line was their Absolute Volumizing Mascara. This is less than $10. It says that it's going to deliver intense volume, separate and lift, non-irritating, conditions and protects, long wearing, no flaking. We shall see. I love trying a new mascara. Nice big applicator. It's a big component, I should say. Let's just go in. I'm just building. So far, a lot of length, not a lot of volume. I'll go ahead and add 2 coats and I'll be right back. Extreme volumizing, I don't think so. I went in with 3 coats and they started to clump, so I had to stop. This might be one that it's just a little bit too wet and it needs more time. I will keep you posted, but right now it's a fail. I've decided this lip must go and I need a pop of color underneath. So for the eyes, I grabbed this one from Sephora Collection. This is their 12-hour in Shimmering Aqua. I'll start in the waterline, and I feel like this would be great for our bronzed, summer-ready look. Isn't that fun? And then just to add a little more color underneath, I'll pull this palette back out. I'll use this little tiny brush, and I'll go into not quite the deepest shade, and just buff that underneath. And to take this lip off, just a little too pink for me. I grabbed my Catrice Gel Glide Long Lasting Lip Liner. I really like this shade Toffee Talk. Hopefully this is still around. This is the Essence Slim Stick 6-hour long lasting lipstick. I have mine in the shade Chocoholic. Much better. And you know what I realized I just forgot is the powder part of the Cheek Thrills from Morphe. Oh yeah. Love it. Details by Tati ES1. Ooh, she is bronzed and glowy. Let's talk about what I liked and what I didn't like. I'm not liking this concealer. Everything looks glowy and hydrated on my face and my under eyes look dry. The lip blush, not for me. The mascara, it is a no for now. I'm not giving up yet. I will continue playing with it. Immediate volume is not what happened. I had to work really hard for this mediocre lash. The pH gloss, if you are a pink girl, you will love this. I do not care for pH changing lip products that change my lips into a fuchsia hot pink. I just don't wear that shade. If you like pink, if you like moisture, it felt really nice. The Vitamin C Skin Serum, I liked it a lot. It was very cool. It was very hydrating. If your skin is feeling tight and sad, you might really enjoy this. It was intense hydration and left, I believe, a pretty good glow. It's hard to know with all the glowy products that I used, but I like this a lot. I can see myself using this. The sunscreen, that was a different experience, rolling it on my face, but I could see this being a great add to your beach bag if you're going away or if you're in a big hurry. You could put this on. I like the concept. It gave a nice glow, and SPF 50, who doesn't need that? The on-the-go base, definitely beautiful. If you have perfect skin, if you don't have perfect skin, be prepared to cover those spots on your face that need a little extra help. But sheer, pretty, again, easy on the go. You put it on, make sure your hands are clean, press it in. Very nice for that summer glow with just a little bit of coverage. The Cheek Thrills, absolutely. This is going to be very much reached for. I love this bronzer, the cream and the powder. It's a perfect shade. I love this Maui Surf. So happy I picked this up. I expected to love it because I do really enjoy the blush version of this from Morphe. Yes. The eyeshadow palette, I think it is a nice option for $12, $13 if you want a creamy, pigmented eyeshadow that's very nude and soft, really nice for summer. This is a nice option. Let me know if you've tried anything else from this brand. I know the mascara is not working for me, But the eyeshadow palette I think is very pretty. And the blush sticks I think are very pretty. They didn't mess up my coverage, not that I have a huge amount of coverage going on. I am not an apply on the face kind of girl, but working off the back of my hand, it worked great. This mauve is beautiful. I'll let you know if it lasts. And that is everything. I do want to thank Pixi for sending me these products. I had fun playing with them. There were some hits, there were some misses. I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below for you if you choose to shop with those links. I want to thank you so much. They are affiliate links. I make a small commission that helps support me and my channel. Be sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.